Hello friends, in this problem three squares are given. This is A, B, C, D, and inside this square we have E, F, Z, D and I, J, H, K. Area of this square is given and this is equals to 18 square unit. Then we have to find area of H, I, J, K, that is this square. So how will you find area of this square? So I will use simple geometry, angle chasing, and then I will calculate the area of this square. So the first is, if we have any square, the formula to calculate area is side square. So area of a square is given by side into side, that is side square. For this square, area is given, that is 18 square unit. So side square is equals to 18 square unit. This means side is equals to a square root 18 and a square root 18 is equals to plus minus 3 root 2. So I am ignoring the negative sign or negative root because the length cannot be negative. So the side cannot be negative, side always has to be positive. So side is equals to 3 square root 2. So this square will have a side of 3 square root 2. This means this is 3 square root 2. This means 3 root 2. This means 3 root 2 and this is also 3 root 2. Now what will be this angle and this angle? So this is a square and this is the diagonal of this square. And we know diagonal bisects this angle. And in a square this angle is 90, this angle is 90, this angle is 90 and this angle is also 90. So this means this will be 45 and this will be 45. So now I can say that is DAC, this is equals to 45 and CAB, this is also equal to 45 degree. So these two angles are 45 and 45. Now this angle is 90 degree. Why? Because this is a square. So this is 90, this is 90, this is 90, this is 90 and this is a line. So sum of the angles on a line will be 90. So this is 90, then this has to be 90. So sum of this angle and this angle will be 90. This is 45. So this has to be 45 degree. So now I know this angle is 45 degree. So now I can say angle EFA, that is this angle, is equals to 45 degree because sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. This is 90, this is 45. So this has to be 45 degree. So this angle is 45 degree. Now this is 45, this is 45. This means this is a isosceles triangle. This means this side is equal to this side and this is known, that is this is 3 root 2. This means AE is equals to 3 root 2. So this length is 3 root 2. So now I know the side length of bigger square. So this is AD, this is equals to AE plus EB, that is 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2. This means AD is equals to 6 root 2. So I can calculate this length AC. So in a square, the diagonal length is given by this is root 2 times side length. So diagonal AC will be root 2 times side is AD and AD is 6 root 2. So now I can plug the value of 6 root 2. So 6 root 2 times root 2, that is 6 times 2, that is 12 unit. So now I know this diagonal, that is this diagonal is 12 unit. We have to find area of this square. Let us say this square has a side of x. This means this is x, this is x, this is x and this is also equal to x. So all side IJ, IH, HK and JK, so these all sides are equal to x. Now this angle is 45 degree. This angle is 90 degree because this is a square. So this angle is 90, then this has to be 90 because sum of angles on a line is equals to 180. So this is 90, this means this is 90. This is 90, this is 45. So what is this angle? So sum of angles in a triangle is 180. So this also has to be 45 degree. So this means this is 45 and this is 45. So this is again an isosceles triangle because this angle and this angle is same. So this is a isosceles triangle. So this means this side, that is AZ, is equals to IJ, and this is known, this is x. This means AJ is equals to x. So now I can say AJ is equals to IJ and both are equal to x. So this means now I know length of this portion, that is AG is equals to x, and this length is known, that is this length is x. And similarly, what will be the value of KC? Using symmetry, these two triangles are symmetrical. That is AIJ has same situation as HKC. So these two triangles are symmetrical. Situation is symmetrical. So this means this length KC will also be equal to x. So KC is equals to x. So now I know this length and this length, and AC is known, that is 12 unit. So now I can say AC is equals to AJ plus JK plus KC. So AJ plus JK plus KC, and all are equal to x, that is AJ is x, JK is x and KC is also equal to x. So this is 3x, and we know AC is equals to 12 unit. So this we have here. So 3x is equals to 12. This means x is equals to 4 unit. So this means side length is equals to 4 unit. So what will be the area of this square? So area will be side a square, that is 4 times 4, that is 16 unit. So area of a square IJKH is equals to 16 square unit. So I hope you like this problem, and if you like these videos, please share with your friends, like on my channel, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.